Meaning of direct marketing.
Direct marketing.
Direct marketing.
Direct marketing.
Direct marketing. Direct marketing refers to a type of advertising campaign that communicates directly with consumers through various channels such as email, text messages, social media platforms, and targeted advertisements. The main goal of direct marketing is to create awareness, generate leads, and encourage a specific action from the consumer, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. The ultimate result of a successful direct marketing campaign is increased revenue, brand recognition, customer loyalty, and a broader customer base.